Alright, one mystery solved at the Museum of False Art. Here, next to the new garage for La Plata and Miracord, is an old-fashioned drill press. One of the few anachronistic things still left in this modern museum. And it was always very interesting because it would rotate quite easily. Except the drill would never press. And what good could that possibly be? If we turn this, you wouldn't turn that. But it would be no good. So finally, docent Liz Logan unscrewed this. Now, unless you used to work in a machine shop, you'll probably, like I, say, what good could that possibly do? So, check it out. This thing actually turns the top wheel, which lowers the drill press in this absurd motion. I still haven't quite figured out exactly how it does. It has something to do with the shape of the lever, I'm sure. And, well, that's great. It's always nice to know what things do.